In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your likes on Twitter to help protect your privacy. By default, anyone who visits your profile can see what you've liked. If you'd rather keep that private, you can adjust your settings in just a few simple steps. First, open the X, Twitter, app on your device, and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. From there, select Settings and Support. Then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Next, go to Privacy and Safety and select Audience and Tagging. Here, you'll see the option to protect your tweets. Toggle this on. Once this setting is enabled, only people who follow you will be able to see your likes. Keep in mind that if your account is public, anyone can still view them, so switching to a protected account is the best way to limit visibility. And that's it! Your likes are now hidden from non-followers. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and have a great day!